Hello folks, my name is Mohammad Misbauddin and I am e-education provider of medical coding and I am teaching you about the certification called Certified Professional Coder. In this video, we will learn about integumentary subsection, that is repairs, simple repair, intermediate repair and complex repair. So let's start. The other name of repair is plasty or roughy, which also means surgical suturing. And the definition of repairs is the physical or mechanical restoration of damaged tissue, especially the replacement of dead or damaged cells in a body tissue. Depending on the wound, the physician may adopt any of the three methods, that can be simple repair, intermediate repair, or complex repair. Now, how the procedure happens. The physician will suture the wound of any anatomical site and body group involving the top two layers of the integumentary system or subcutaneous tissue. The wound does not invade into deeper subcutaneous tissue. The material he will use for closing the wound is tissue adhesives, staples or suture materials. So this is about simple repair. In the simple repair, you just need to remember that deeper subcutaneous tissues are not involved. Below is the table of keywords for a coder to identify what kind of repair or what kind of method related to repairs the physician has adopted. So, in the simple repair, the keywords are layer, layer with cleaning, simple closure, superficial closure, epidermal closure, dermal closure. So these all are the synonyms of simple repair and the code ranges from 120012 to 12021. Intermediate repair and the code ranges from 120312 to 12057. The keywords are layers, layered, layered with extensive cleaning, layered with extensive debridement, multiple layered, and the keywords for complex repair: extensive undermining, retention sutures, undermining stunt, scar revision, and the code ranges from 13100 to 13160. Apart from the keywords of three different repairs, the coder has to follow guidelines for assigning accurate codes of repairs. The coder has to identify anatomical site to which body group the anatomical site belongs to, the diameter, and add the diameter on the same anatomical site or different anatomical sites of same body group. Then always sequence first complex repair, then intermediate, and then simple repair. If physician used statistics, do not code from repairs. Or if he used adhesive strip, then the coder has to code from evaluation and management section, but not from repairs. Again, we have three more guidelines of repair, that is, if excision procedure and the repairs both are performed at the same encounter, then what coder has to do. If the physician is cutting out the lesion which is cancerous or non-cancerous, then he is suturing the wound with simple repair or single layer. So the coder has to code only excision, because in the excision procedure simple repair is bundled, and if the physician is performing excision and he is suturing the wound in layered fashion, then the coder has to assign two codes, one from excision section and the other from repair section of intermediate, and if the physician is performing excision procedure and after that he is suturing the wound in extensive undermining fashion, then the coder has to assign two codes, one from excision section and one from the section of repairs that is related to complex. So let's see CPD book for codes. 12001. The description of this code is simple repair of superficial wounds of scalp, neck, axillae, external genitalia, trunk and or extremities. This is including hands and feet, 2.5 centimeters or less. So let me explain you how the procedure happens. Suppose the patient injured with laceration on scalp and feet. The physician will suture the superficial wounds of scalp 2 centimeters and feet 5 centimeters. This is the diameter we will mention in the medical record of patient. So what coder has to do? The coder has to follow the guidelines to code accurate or to assign the accurate code. So he has to add the diameter of same body group even though if it is different anatomical site. So for scalp 2 centimeters and feet 5 centimeters, if you add that it will become 7 centimeters. So for that diameter 7 centimeters, the code is 12002 and till the semicolon the code is same for all these codes till here, for all this code within the same group. So the only difference is the diameter. One more example. Suppose the physician is suturing the superficial wounds of trunk 3 centimeters and hands 30 centimeters. Then what code you will assign? Before assigning the code, you need to remember the guideline, that is add the diameter of same body group. So the code will be 12007. The description of this code is over 30 centimeters. Moreover, we have the codes of different diameters. 12004. The diameter is up to 12.5 centimeters. Then 12005. If the diameter is up to 20 centimeter, you can assign that code. Then up to 30 centimeters, you can assign the code 12006. And finally, you have 12007, which is over and above 30 centimeters. In the similar way, you have different group ranging from 12011 to 12018, and the group is face, ears, eyelids, nose, lips and or mucous membranes. So depend on the diameter, assign the code. Like up to 5 centimeter, assign the code 12013. Up to 7.5 centimeters 12014 and 12015 up to 12.5 centimeters and 12016 up to 20 centimeters and 12017 up to 30 centimeters, 12018 over and above 30 centimeters. And the next code is 12020. The description of this code is treatment of superficial wound dehiscence. Simple closure means if the patient came with previously sutured wound was reopened due to pressure on the wound or infection, then the physician will again suture the superficial wound in single layer. If this is the procedure happened, then assign 12020. If the physician is just packing the wound, then assign 12021. Then there is a instruction note, that is for extensive or complicated secondary wound closure. Then you have to use 13160. And we have another section, that is intermediate repair. To code from this section, you just need to remember the keywords and follow the guidelines of repair. So the code starts from 12031 to 12057. And the description of the code 12031 is repair intermediate wounds of scalp, axilla, trunk and or extremities. Remember, this code does not include hands and feet, and the diameter of this code description is 2.5 cm or less, and up to 7.5 centimeters you will code 12032, and up to 12.5 centimeter you will assign 12034, and up to 20 centimeters assign 12035, up to 30 centimeters assign 12036, over and above 30 centimeters you can assign 12037. And you can see one more body group of intermediate repairs related to neck, hands, feet and or external genitalia. As a coder, if you find 2.5 cm of intermediate repair in medical record of patient, assign 12041, or if the diameter is up to 7.5 centimeters, assign 12042. If it is up to 12.5 centimeters or 20 centimeters or 30 centimeters, assign the code related to the diameter, or over 30 centimeters or about 30 centimeters, assign 12047. Then again we have the last group related to intermediate repair: face, ears, eyelids, nose, lips and or mucous membrane. If the physician documented about intermediate repair and also he documented the diameter 2.5 centimeter or less than that, and he mentioned about the group face, ear, eyelid, nose, lips and or mucous membrane, assign 12051. Up to 5 centimeter or 7.5 centimeters or above 30 centimeters we have the codes depending on the diameter. Finally, we have last method of repairs, that is complex repairs. And to code from this section, you just need to identify keywords like extensive undermining, undermining of stent, retention sutures and scar revisions. 13100, repair complex trunk 1.1 centimeter to 2.5 centimeters. What is trunk? Trunk means below the neck and above the waist of the body but not including hands. So for example, if the physician is mentioning about complex repair in the medical record of patient and the site is trunk, and he mentioned 37.5 centimeters diameter of complex repair, then what codes you will assign? 13101 times 1 and 13102 times 6, because this is each additional 5 centimeter or less. If the diameter is above 7.5 centimeters, then you can utilize this code. You can use this code in conjunction with 13101. So in order to reach 37.5 centimeters, you have to code 13101 times 1, 13102 times 6. And remember, you should not code all these three codes, because till the semicolon the code is same for all these three codes which are in the same group of trunk, only if the complex repair is above 7.5 centimeters. Likewise, we have the codes in the CPT book about complex repair section related to different body groups and different anatomical sites. So, coder need to identify those different groups and anatomical sites, and also the diameters he need to identify and assign the accurate code. And please go through your CPT book so that you can understand this repair section easily. And we have the last code of complex repair, that is 13160, and the description of this code is secondary closure of surgical wound or dehiscence, extensive or complicated. Particularly, this procedure is performed on sites of injury like abdominal wounds and or contaminated lacerations. So, how the procedure happens? The physician debrides the tissue from a wound that was previously left open due to contamination or other concerns like coughing, laughing, sneezing, and weightlifting. So, this procedure is complicated due to the size or location of the wound, and it may also require complex closure due to loss of skin to cover the wound. After the procedure has been completed, the physician closes the wound and applies antibiotics and also dressing. And for any doubts or practicing questions, you can request me on cpctrainer@protonmail.com, and please don't forget to mention the section name. And thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.